Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Dewan Franklin with Do You Bitcoin. Just wanted to shoot a quick video to get you $10 from Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is probably the easiest place to purchase your Bitcoins when you first get started. Typically, you're dealing with small amounts, so Coinbase is perfect. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here to enter your email address. I already have an account with Coinbase, so I just wanted to walk through the setup process. I'll set up a new account with pretty much a test account, so that way you can actually see. What you'll do is you'll enter your email address here, and I'll just use this one since I don't have anything set up with this account. And then I'll just put test account and choose a password. So since this is dealing with pretty much currency, what you want to do is you want to use a completely different password than you have on any other system. Your other passwords, I'm pretty sure you probably keep them all kind of standard the same. Bitcoin is a little different. Once your Bitcoin is moved or transferred, there is no return policy. There is no refund. It doesn't work that way. Once those funds are moved and the transfer is confirmed, then at that point it's a done deal. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you come here, set up a password that no one's going to be able to figure out. Now, you don't want to set it up to where you're not able to figure it out, but let's see. So we'll go here. State automatically came up, and of course they want you to make sure that you're not a robot. Street signs. Here we go. Figured out the hard way. The poll actually they don't consider that as a street sign. And they wanted to make sure that you're over 18. Alright, so we go here, create our account. Alright, so it wants me to verify my email. I'm not going to save the password for this. I'll pause the video real quick. Go verify the email. 1 second. Alright, here we go. Just click verify email address. Takes me right back through, and as you can see, set it up as an individual, and then click next. And then what it wants to do is actually verify your phone number. So what it does as far as verifying your phone number, if someone tries to log into your account, it's going to send you, you can have it set up to where it'll send you a text where it's a two-step. So it'll send you a text with the number that you need to put in, and then that way no one can just go in and do anything unauthorized on your account. Of course, you'll need to keep access to your phone at all times. Now remember, this is a currency, so treat it as such. This isn't just things that you just want to leave laying around. So with your private keys, as far as your Bitcoin goes, you really want to be mindful that this is a digital currency that lives on the internet with Coinbase. Now there are storage units that you can get to keep on your personal, so it's not attached to the internet. It's a lot more secure. Now anything over, I'd say $500 to plus, I'd say 500 plus, you'd want to have your own private secure method of keeping your Bitcoins. If you just have a couple $100, I mean, no one's typically going and seeking after those types of dollar amounts. Not that I've had any experience of anybody trying to come do anything with my Bitcoin, but like I said, it's currency. So you're not just going to leave $500 laying on your front doorstep and then not expect someone to run off with it. So you put your phone number in, and then what it'll do is it'll take you to the payment. So you can set up your bank account routing number, And as we can see, Bitcoin is right now at $4,000. I bought my first May the 5th of this year, and it was roughly about $1,200, a little over $1,200 per. Now, as you can see, within the last month, it's gone up $1,800, and that's 82%. I mean, it's just unbelievable. So when you're in here, this is going to be the dashboard. So when you first log in, as you can see, you can do Litecoin, Ethereum, as well as Bitcoin right here. Let's see, let's go over to Ethereum. Ethereum 290 right now. In the last year, it's gone up 2,300%. It's unbelievable. Litecoin's at $45. It's gone up 1,100%. So what you want to do is you'll go here to your account. Well, really, what you want to do is when you come in, you'll come in and do buy and sell. So let's say we want to add a payment method. So we can go here to payment methods. So you have various options. Now, PayPal is an option for really just to sell. There are some ways to buy Bitcoin with PayPal, but it's tricky. I don't do a whole lot with PayPal. As you know, PayPal can shut your account down, reverse funds if someone sneezes. And this Bitcoin is the complete polar opposite of PayPal. So we're purchasing Bitcoin to get away from PayPal and other services such as them that are in the middle. We don't need a middleman. So PayPal is just a middleman. So what you want to do is you can come in here, you can set up your bank account. It's a little bit slower, but it gives you the ability to move higher amounts to buy. Now, your credit card will be instant, but it's going to take you through a process. It kind of slow plays you for a little while. You can buy $25 here, $25 there. Then you can buy 50 here, 50 there. Your bank account, unless you're looking to join a program or something where you're trying to move the Bitcoin pretty fast, your bank account is your safest and easiest way. You can go here, right here, and set up your bank account. They're established with all of the major banks. If not, you just type the information in. So let's say Ally. You go, your username, password. It logs right in. What it'll do is it'll set that up. This is a U.S. company, so you don't have to worry about them going in and taking your banking information. With me saying that this is a U.S. company, they are going to ask you to verify certain ID information, just so they know who you are for money laundering situations, things of that nature. As long as you're not laundering money and working for said drug kingpins or things of that nature, you don't have anything to worry about. But like I said, this is the starter pack as far as where everybody starts to purchase Bitcoins. Once you're looking to purchase a higher amount, there are other options. There's ATMs if you're in a larger metropolitan area. There are ways to actually purchase Bitcoin by going to your bank and doing a wire transfer, things of that nature. I'll go over that in a different video, but this is for people that are just starting out, brand new to Bitcoin, don't have a Bitcoin wallet, and are looking to purchase some Bitcoin. So once you have your Bitcoin, you'll have your accounts here. Now within your accounts this is your wallet. So when you purchase the Bitcoin, you'll have however much you purchased. It'll break it down here, and then your Ethereum wallet and your Litecoin wallet. Now you're able to also set up separate wallets for different things or different transactions that you may do with your Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin. Now, like I said, this is just a starter video. Brand new people, you don't have any Bitcoin and you're looking to get started. All right, once again, my name is Dewan Franklin with Do You Bitcoin, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends.